Question number one. The just man justices. What kind of foregrounding do you find in the above lines? The correct option is A and B. Syntactic and semantic. Now the next question, match the items in list first with the items in list 2 according to the code given. And the correct option is marks given to all. It means what? This question was cancelled from the exam. Okay. For the information, lambic, anapest, dactyl and trochaic. These are 4 types of meters in English. Now the question number 3. The separation of styles in accordance with the class appears from consistently in space than in medieval works of literature and art. And the option number B is correct, Shakespeare. The separation of styles in accordance with class appears more consistently in Shakespeare than in medieval works of literature and art. Question number 4. Had we but world enough and times this queen's lady were no crime, this statement is an example of irony. The statement is given in the question and this statement is irony. Question number 5. A Spenserian stanza has, option number C, 8 iambic pentameters. 8 iambic pentameters. Okay, iambic pentameters, we need to know that iambic means when one weak syllable is followed by one strong. When one syllable means first syllable is followed by strong syllable. And if this foot comes for 5 times, that time we call that there is iambic pentameter in the lines. Okay, therefore in the Spenserian stanza has 8 iambic pentameters. Okay, now the question number 6. Match the atoms in list first with the atoms in list 2 according to the code given below. Sorry, option number A is correct. The question number 7. The artist may be present in his work like God in creation, invisible and almighty, everywhere felt but nowhere seen. Okay, Henry James is talking here about the artist impersonality. Impersonality is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Match the atoms in list first with atoms in list 2 according to the code given below. And the correct option is B. B option is correct. Now the next question. The greatness of a poet, Arnold says, Matthew Arnold says that the greatness of a poet lies in his powerful and beautiful application of ideas to life. But a critic pointed out it was not a happy way of putting it, as if ideas were a lotion for the inflamed skin of suffering humanity. Who was this critic? The correct option is T.S. Eliot. Moving to the next question. Derrida's American disciples were, Derrida's means Jacques Derrida. The name of this person or the name of Jacques Derrida is taken whenever the deconstruction theory is taken into consideration. Okay, here we have to identify the disciples of Jacques Derrida, American disciples. Who are the American disciples of Jacques Derrida? And the correct option is A. Jeffrey Hartman, Paul de Man and J. Hills Miller. Means option number A is correct. These 3 persons were the disciples of Jacques Derrida, who is the exponent or who is the main protagonist of deconstruction theory in English literature or English criticism. Moving to the next question. Question number 11. Identify the correct group of playhouses in late 16th century London from the following groups. And the correct option is A and C. A and C is the correct option. You can read that by pausing this video. Moving to the next question. Question number 12. Keep up your bright words. Keep up your bright swords, for the dew will rust them. Good senior, you shall more command with years than with your weapons. The above lines are addresses by Othello too. Means these lines, the above mentioned lines are addressed to somebody else by Othello. We have to identify the name of that person who is who has been addressed these lines? And the correct option is B. Brabantio, Rodrigo, and officers. These lines were addressed by Othello to Brabantio, Rodrigo, and officers. Moving to the next question, question number 13. Act 5 of Marlowe's Edward II shows the murder of the king. Where does it take place? Where does it take place? And the correct option is B. A room in Berkeley Castle. A room in Berkeley Castle is the correct answer. Here, this Act 5 took place. Moving to the next question, question number 14. Identify the correctly matched set. And the option number A is correct. Means the Shepherd's Calendar that was published in 1579. Then Total's Miscellany that was published in 1557. Astrophel and Stella in 1591. And the Spanish Tragedy about 1585. Therefore, the option number A is correct. This question may be related to the work and their publication dates. Moving to the next question, question number 15. Match the atoms in the list first with the atoms in list second according to the code given below. And the correct option is C. C is the correct option here. Now the next question, 16. There are some lines, but deeds and language such as men to do's and persons such as comedy would choose. Fain she would show an image of the time and sport with human follies, not with crime. In the above lines, Johnson. Option number A is correct. First, second, and third. These three of the statements are correct. Okay, the first statement is that opposes the artificiality of the romantic tragicomedy. The second one is that initiates the use of realism. And the question, option number 3, that is considers analysis of moral shortcomings more important. Question number 17. And if no piece of chronicle we prove, we will build in space pretty rooms. Option number C is correct. Sonnets pretty rooms. The question number 18. That glory never shall his wrath or might extort from me. Faraday's lost book first. What glory is being referred to by Satan here? And the option number A is correct. The courage never to submit or yield. Moving to the next question, question number 19. It has been described as a novel without predecessors, the product of an original mind, and became immediately popular. It is a particular blend of pathos and humor, though the pathos is sometimes overdone to the point of becoming offensively sentimental. The novel was published in 1760. What is the name of the novel? The above lines appear. Option number C, Tristram Shandy. Tristram Shandy is the correct option. This is a novel in which the above mentioned lines appear. Now the last question of this video, question number 20. The son of joiner, he was apprenticed as a printer. He remained a printer throughout his life. He was asked to prepare a series of modern letters for those who could not write for themselves. This humble task taught him the art of expressing himself in letters. Who is the novelist? And the correct option is B, Samuel Richardson. Okay, in this video we have tried to include 20 questions. Next questions means the remaining 30 questions will be taken in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.